Learn how to use the window location href property to find the exact web address of the current web page. The window location object contains information about the web address of the page you are currently viewing. For example, now, if you look at this, you can see the web address, and that is what is giving us this that we have on the display page. Now, the href property reads that full address directly from the browser URL bar, so you can use it in your code. Look at this part. I have a style sheet in my code which contains my CSS, and when I wanted to link into it, I just use the href to point to the location where it is. So we want to exactly see how you can use this href to find the exact web address URL of the current web page. So let's look at the example. So let's move into the script stack and use the document.getElement method to get the URL of our current web page. Inner HTML equals to the full URL of this page is okay. Instead of that is a space, so let me add a break so that we can see it on another page. Then call on the window object dot location dot href. Now look at it. The full URL of this page is this. Now, and if you look at what I have here, you can see that the exact same thing is what is printed here on the screen. So this script automatically grabs the full website URL of the active web page and display it on the screen inside the paragraph. So for example, this web page where we are currently in is what is being displayed here on our screen, as you can see. So it grabs this URL from this web page and display it on the screen. So the window.location.href, it fetches the complete URL. It fetches the complete URL string like what we have here, https 127.0.1/gs_expression/index.html of the page currently running the script. So it will fetch the current URL of this page that is currently running this script. So once it has done that, then it will pass it on to what we have here, the document.getElement by adding. This target our empty div ID here, the ID of demo, and then insert this text, this introductory text, which is the full URL of this page, along with what is fetched from the window.location.href, which is this. So it will target both and then put them together and then output their results on the screen, as you can see. Here are a few key takeaways about the window.location.href. The window.location.href returns the entire web address as a single text string. The number two thing is that you can safely write this property as just location.href without the window prefix to achieve the exact same result. What does that mean? This can also be written like this. And you can see that nothing has changed. It will work. So without the window object, you can write it as location.href and it will still work to give you the desired output on the screen.